We offer a competitive relocation package, which includes a certificate of sponsorship, visa, flight, and accommodation. OSCE training, exam booking, and travel are also included. The full package will be shared with you before your pre-screening call with your overseas advisors. This care home is going to give you free certificate of sponsorship, and all other expenses will be covered by them, including your visa, your flight ticket, and even your accommodation. It wouldn't stop at that. OSCE training, you're going to get it for free, your exam booking, and all travel expenses. Guys, you can come with your dependents. We will also support your dependents to settle in, whether that's in their nursery schools or universities, or if your partner is looking to join us as well. So they can take you in, take your partner in to work with them, and they are also going to help your children to settle well in school. Guys, you're not making any payments. This opportunity is absolutely free. We never charge recruitment fees. Any employment offer from Care UK would come from an official registered email address ending in careuk.com. It doesn't stop at that, guys. We support pre-registration nurses looking to register with the NMC and obtain their NMC PIN. Support includes a proof of English test, CBT, and OSCE training and exam. Guys, you don't have anything to worry about. They are going to help you through the process. Overseas recruitment, recruiting caring healthcare professionals from around the world. We support passionate and hardworking nurses and carers to live and work in the United Kingdom. If you are a nurse, a carer, support worker, healthcare aide, and what have you, from whichever country you are, guys, this is an opportunity for you to grab. Our dedicated internal team recruits, sponsor, and relocate both nurses and carers who are already living in the UK and from the overseas. Guys, did you hear that? The team is passionate about recruiting healthcare professionals that live our values. So you can see that this opportunity is absolutely free. You're going to get your certificate of sponsorship for free. This organization is going to sponsor you. So why join Care UK from overseas? Our priority is to ensure you are well settled in the UK, your community, and in your care home, so you can expect to receive exceptional pastoral support. We offer a competitive relocation package which includes a certificate of sponsorship, visa, flight, and accommodation. OSCE training, exam booking, and travel are also included for NMC pre-registration nurses. So the full package will be shared with you before your pre-screening call with our overseas advisors. Guys, if you are hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, because here I share a lot of opportunities to move abroad. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always supporting me. Please do well to like this video just to encourage me to bring more content to you, and please share with your friends and family that equally need this opportunity. Also drop your comments and questions. I'll try as much as possible to answer every single question here. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about this amazing care home, the eligibility criteria, as well as how to apply. So guys, let's move ahead. Guys, I would like to drop this short disclaimer. This opportunity is free, so you are not supposed to make payment to anyone. So please do well not to send your hard-earned money to anyone. I hope that is clear. Thank you, guys. So why relocate to the UK? The UK has one of the most progressive healthcare systems in the world. You will be joining a national workforce that provides excellent care. Our healthcare professionals have access to an in-depth induction to help you familiarize yourself with our vision and values, ways of working, preceptorship, and various trainings. So if you're not sure where in the UK you want to live, we will match you to a Care UK care home, taking into account professional and personal requirements, religion, beliefs, and your dependents if applicable. Guys, can you see that? You can even come with your dependents. So we will also support your dependents to settle in, whether that's in their nursery schools or universities, or if your partner is looking to join us as well. This is mind-blowing. So if your partner is willing to join you, your children, they are going to assist all of you guys to settle in well. So what are the requirements? We are coming back to check the requirements for the carers. Let's check the requirements for the nurses first. So before joining us, you must meet the English requirement of the NMC. You must pass CBT exam part 1 of the MSc test of competence, and you must complete tuberculosis test. So the OSCE test on arrival in the UK, that's when you're going to take it. You will be required to pass part 2 of the NMC test of competence. This test can be completed at one of 5 approved test centers located around the UK. So when you get to UK, you are going to sit for that test. So requirement for carers now. If you are a carer, you need to meet the English language requirement, having an academic degree level qualification that was taught in English if you studied abroad. So that's what concerns us. You will need to apply through ECCTIS for confirmation that your qualification is equivalent to a UK bachelor's or master's degree or a PhD. So guys, if you're applying from outside the United Kingdom, all you need to do is just a kind of certificate evaluation, just for them to ensure that your qualification in your home country is equivalent to UK. So just like a Canada ECA. So how do you apply? Please send your CV to overseas@careuk.com and you will be contacted for a pre-screening call if your application meets our experience and skills criteria. Guys, it's as easy as that. So all you need to do to apply, just send them your CV. They will go through it, and if they are satisfied with your CV, they are going to reach out to you for a pre-screening interview, and your journey starts from there, guys. So we never charge recruitment fees. Any employment offer from Care UK would come from an official registered email address ending in careuk.com. So you know, a lot of criminals take advantage of genuine websites. So if you receive any message and it does not end with careuk.com requesting you to make any payment, guys, they are scammers. This is a confirmation that you are not supposed to make any payment to anyone. It is absolutely free. Just send your CV to them. They are going to reach out to you. If your CV is good enough for them, they are going to contact you and schedule a pre-interview screening with you, and you're going to move on from there. Guys, jump right on it. Don't waste any time on this, and I wish you the best in your application. I love you guys. Till I see you in my next video.